active air treatment system. So we're going to put it onto a couple double-deckers as well as one of the articulated 60-foot buses. And really it's going to be just another part of how to keep people safe. The UVC light helps to produce hydrogen peroxide, which is then distributed throughout the air system. So air comes in, it picks up the hydrogen peroxide, very low levels, gets distributed throughout the bus, and it's actively treating the air and the surfaces constantly. As many people already know, there's a number of efforts we've already put in place, mandatory masks or daily disinfection, just efforts to keep both the public safe and our operators. We want to look at what technologies are out there and see are they viable in transit and do they have a place in CBC to help improve our sanitation efforts. Some airports have used it. So from that, we kind of see how can we adapt it to maybe, is it something that can be benefit to transit? And so that's really what we want to look at. During the trial, we'll be doing swabbing on surfaces to check overall sanitization and see do we find any measurable improvement with the equipment and how well is it working on different bus types perhaps, and all the little details of how it functions.